Hello everyone, my name is Theonis Rutaise and I want to share you on creating accessible online and blended learning. In this project, I assume a role as Director of Learning Design in the Learning Experience Design Center at the College of Useless Knowledge. And I thought I haven't had any student with impairment in my lecture, but complaints were going on. Then later, I decided to conduct a self-evaluation after learning about a student's complaint to access materials on the e-learning platform. After reading the Universal Design Learning Guidelines, I noticed that my university is like the college useless college. Since my course is not well designed and inaccessible to a variety of learners, the UDL principle include providing adaptable learning environments, objectives, pedagogies, and evaluation procedures that take into account student diversity, and the limitations and disparities are addressed throughout a structure method, which necessitates that we apply UDL to all our university campuses. In that regard, the three-network model of learning on which the UDL principles are founded are following. The first one is offer numerous presentation options by making materials more accessible to a broader range of persons with disability, including certain adjustments for learning difficulties and accommodation for limited movement, speech impairment, photosensitivity, blindness, low vision, and so on. So materials should be accessible via different IT tools such as laptop, telephone, and so on. The second one is to offer a variety of ways for people to interact. Since learning depends heavily on mood, learner might be motivated in the learning process. And there are many ways to engage students because offering just one option is not always the best option to all students. The third one is offer a variety of action and expression options by creating conducive learning environment and give them room to communicate what they know. So recognizing that action and expression might involve a lot of planning, repetition, organization is also important. So lastly, I would like to share you some instruction event depending on learning outcome. The first one is gaining attention that entails using technology to capture the audience attention with engaging activities. The second is informing learners of objective by describing objective for each class and assignment, what students how to do, how, when, and where by utilizing the right action verbs to communicate to them. Stimulating recall of prior learning by encouraging instructors to remind the students of required information by referring to material covered earlier in the course because the students are more at the same level. Number four is presenting the stimulus material with accessibility to target audience and the four universal design principles such as structure, typography, visualization, and so on. Number five is providing learning guidance with specific platforms for student queries and precise expectations where they can communicate and express themselves. Number six is providing feedback and assessing performance by giving students opportunities to interact with one another and the course materials. Feedback on audience performance should be given, and utilizing the proper action verbs in assignment and evaluation should be taken care of. Otherwise, you may distract your audience. Another one is enhancing retention and transfer. The program's other courses as well as world situations should be linked. So you need to link what they learn with the real world situation. So I thank you very much for your kind attention and waiting for your comments.